Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, a premium laptop that aims to challenge the MacBook Pro with its versatile design and powerful performance. In this video, I'll tell everything you need to know about Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews like this one. So, stay tuned and let's get started with the video. So, what is this Surface Laptop Studio 2? This is Microsoft's flagship laptop that was announced in September 2023 and about to release in October 2023. It has a starting price of $2,000, which puts it in the same league as the MacBook Pro 14M2 Pro. However, unlike the MacBook Pro, which has a fixed display, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 has a flexible display that can be pulled forward, tilted, or folded flat to suit different modes of use. You can use it as a traditional laptop, a tablet, or a drawing board. The display itself is a 14.4-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 2400 by 1600 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It has a 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you more vertical space for browsing and editing. The screen is sharp and vibrant, with good contrast and brightness. However, it lacks pro-grade color accuracy, which might be an issue for some users who need precise color reproduction. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 comes with an Intel 13th Gen Core i7, which is a quad-core chip with a base clock of 2.6 GHz and a boost clock of 5 GHz. It also has up to 64 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB of SSD storage. These are impressive specs that should handle most tasks with ease. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 also comes with an improved keyboard and touchpad, which have haptic feedback and are comfortable to use. The keyboard has backlit keys with good travel and responsiveness. The touchpad is large and smooth, with support for Windows gestures. The laptop also has a fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button for quick and secure login. One of the highlights of the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is the included Surface Pen, which is a stylus that magnetically attaches to the front edge of the laptop. The Surface Pen has 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, which makes it ideal for drawing and writing on the screen. The pen also has 2 buttons that can be customized to perform different functions. The pen charges wirelessly when attached to the laptop, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 has a decent selection of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, 1 microSD card reader, and 1 headphone jack. However, it lacks an HDMI port or an Ethernet port, which might be inconvenient for some users who need to connect external monitors or wired internet. The laptop also has a 1080p webcam with IR camera for facial recognition. The webcam delivers good image quality and works well with Windows Hello. The laptop also has dual far-field microphones and quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support. The audio quality is clear and loud, but not very bass-heavy. So, what do I think about the Surface Laptop Studio 2? Well, this is a premium laptop that offers a versatile design, a powerful performance, and a long battery life. It is a great choice for creative professionals who need a laptop that can adapt to different modes of use and handle demanding tasks. However, it is also a very expensive laptop that might not be worth the price for some users who don't need all the features and power that it offers. Moreover, it faces stiff competition from other laptops in the market, such as the MacBook Pro, which might have better graphics performance, color accuracy, and portability. That's it for this review of the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.